In this video I'm going to tell you how you can set up your get paid option in the Upwork application. If you want to get paid on Upwork, how you can do that? So you need to click on your profile photo and go to settings, and after that you need to click on get paid. Then you have some option, your funds will be shown here. I have some funds in pending, so there is zero active balance I have. So for to add my withdrawal method, I can just click on plus icon. Then I have some options here. For example, first is direct to my local bank. Then it will be take a charge of $1 to withdraw per time I do that. And then I have a PayPal option. Then they will take $2 withdrawal fees. Okay, PayPal, for PayPal. Then you have wire transfer. Wire transfer will take $30 USD. Then you have US deposit to banks. Okay, that will be free. So I suggest you, whatever your bank is, you can just do that. Okay,